Hey, it's Sarah Clay with your Monday post idea for the week. This week, I want to talk about user-generated content. User-generated content is when your clients and customers post on their LinkedIn feeds about how brilliant it was working with you or buying your products. If you can encourage your clients and customers to do this, it's a great testimonial and it's social proof that they've enjoyed working with you, so perhaps somebody else will as well. A really good idea as well is to ask those clients and customers to send you their posts via email or in an app, and then you can post them on your LinkedIn profile as well, and then potentially increasing the reach of that user-generated content. So go ahead, find some clients that you've worked with recently that you know pretty sure will post about you on their feed, and just ask them, why not? So that's my tip for you to post something on LinkedIn this week. If you like my post ideas, please follow my hashtag, which is LinkedIn Simplified, and follow me on LinkedIn, and also chuck a comment down below to tell me whether you enjoy these videos or whether you'd like something else. It's been great chatting. Good luck with your post, and please don't forget to tag me in when you post it. Catch you later.